University class. Today we are going to discuss chapter 4 and the topic for today is Revolt of 1857. On this topic, first we will discuss what were the causes of the revolt of 1857. Generally, students are thinking that history is so tough subject, but if we will follow some tricky points, easily we will understand, we will make it interesting. So, see here for causes of revolt of 1857, and the short trick is primes. It's primes. See here. Primes is to learn. P R I M E S. P for political causes, R for religious causes, I for immediate cause, M for military cause, E for economic causes, and S for social causes. So see, so simple. Primes, you will have to learn the word primes, and easily you will be able to discuss. Now, first of all, we must know that what are the centers, those centers where this particular revolt it occurred. And the center is PM Barge. The center is PM Barge. See, very easy to remember. And the next topic is who are the leaders. This one is centers. Centers for revolt of 1857, where this particular revolt it occurred, and the leaders, the most important leaders of this revolt, and the leaders are KTM, very familiar word, easy to learn. Leaders are KTM, RM, KTM, RM, very easy. Now we will discuss the details of this full form, and next we will go in detail about primes. See, what does PM Barge means? P for Patna, M for Meerut, B for Baranpur, A for Ayodhya, J for Jabalpur, and J for Jhansi. Now, leaders, KTM, K for Kunwar Singh, T for Tatya Tope, M for Mangal Pandey, R for Rani Lakshmibai, N for Nana Sahab. So, very easy to learn. What? Causes, primes, P R I M E S, easy to learn. And now, we will discuss in details about those causes. Primes, this is the short form of causes. Causes of revolt of 1857. See, first, P, political causes. What were the political causes of the revolt of 1857? For political causes, easy to learn, DAD. D-A-A-D, DAD. D for doctrine of lapse, introduced by Lord Dalhousie. Annexation policy of British Governor General. Various annexation policy it were implemented by the Britishers to annex the princely states into the British Empire. And next, abolition of titles. Titles which it were given to the Bahadur Shah Zafar, those titles it were seized, or you can say abolished by the Britishers. So thus discontent it came into the minds of the kings and the common people. Last one is deprivation of pension. Nana Sahab was given yearly pension, but this particular pension Nana Sahab was deprived. So you can see these were the four things. E for extension of semi-permanent settlement, and C for conversion effort of Christian missionaries. Christian missionary. The next point is I. I for immediate cause, and the most important immediate cause was Enfield rifle. Enfield rifle, it were introduced, and thus there were rumors that the cartridge it may hurt the religious minds of the people. Thus, such sentiments brought discontent among the soldiers and the sipais. Next point is M. M for military cause. In this, one point P, another point O. P for poor pay and O for overseas services. So, as per the service rule, those who were the soldiers, they had to go overseas. Such permanent settlement policy, which it is brought by Cornwallis, it did not give any such benefit to the peasants, and for that reason there were discontent among the common people. Here we can say that as revolt of 1857 it were a Sipahi mutiny, but there is a great deal of controversy among the historians. Some opine that this was a mass revolt. This was the first war of independence, but some opines that this was a Sipahi mutiny. But basically, peasants, soldiers, and common people also participated in some parts. E for economic cause. In economic cause, you can see LAD, 3 points. L for land revenue policies like permanent settlement, royal system. A for acquisition of Diwali right. This was the most important event. In 1765, Shah Alam II granted Diwali right to East India Company, and thus Britishers got good benefit through this Diwali right. They tried their best to earn more and more revenue. And D for here C, here especially cloth industry, decline of cloth industry. Decline of cloth industry was another important reason for economic causes. S for social causes. The most important cause for the revolt of 1857, easy to learn, DOT, dot. D for disgust for Indians, O for orthodox mentality of the Indians, and T for torture by British officials. Now you easily may learn the various causes of the revolt of 1857. In next video, you will be able to see the failure of the revolt of 1857 in details. Thank you.